4.2 example 1, it says write A 52% and B 7% as decimals. Use a model to represent each decimal. So first we're going to take a look at A 52% and we're going to go ahead and do it right down here. So the first thing you do when you're converting percents to decimals is you're going to place the decimal to the right of the ones place. So every time you're going to take that number and you're going to put the decimal to the right of the ones place. I know it looks kind of funny right now, but that's where we put it. So to the right of the ones place. The second step is we're going to remove the percent symbol. So now we just have 52 and then a decimal. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to divide this number by 100. Now I know that sounds overwhelming, but remember when we divide or multiply by powers of 10, we're just moving the decimal point. So to divide by 100, since 100 has 2 zeros, we're moving the decimal to the left twice, because when we use division with powers of 10, then it gets smaller. So we move it to the left. So we move it 2 times, 1, 2, and our decimal is now there. Our final answer would be 52 hundredths. It says to use a model to represent each decimal. So 52%, these are out of 100. So we would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then shade in 2. So you'd have 52 out of 100 shaded. All right, 7%, this one's going to be a little bit different. We'll do this off to the side. And we have 7%. Our first step is to place the decimal to the right of the ones place. Remove the percent symbol. So we now have 7 and a decimal. And then we're going to divide by 100. The reason this one is a little different is because in order to move our decimal place twice, 1, 2, we're going to have to put our 0 here. So 7%, we want to make sure that it ends up being 7 hundredths, because that's what this represents, 7 out of 100, instead of 70 hundredths or 7 tenths. So this is going to be 7% is the same as 7 hundredths. And when we fill it in, this is a little big, so I'm going to make it a little smaller. And it's going to be 7 of these filled in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7% is the same as 7 hundredths. You would fill in 7 parts of that 100-piece model.